All right, y'all. Okay, y'all. We in Vegas, and I never had Dave's Hot Chicken. Well, no, I take it back. I had the bites, which I got tonight in mild. But this guy right here wanted to get his bites in extra hot. So I asked him, would you try the Reaper? He said, yeah. He likes spicy stuff. So I got one Reaper tender. Now, when I say they made me sign a waiver, I upload that later. Like, they made me sign a waiver for this. Look how dark it is, y'all. Look at that. It look hot. And these are his bites. This is the level right before the Reaper. And it's what he actually ordered. Eat, y'all. So, we about to see, is it too hot, not hot enough, or just a little bit hot? So, come on, bro, let's see.
I'm here.
You supposed to try it without the sauce first.
No.
To see if the spice. You're not getting a true taste of it.
All right.
You have to taste it by itself so you can get the true spice of it. You dip it in the sauce. The sauce take away the spice.
All right.
So yeah, this the extra hot bites. Yeah, he high, so ain't no telling if he could tell or not.
Right here, yeah.
So they not hot.
I don't know. My lips started burning. It looked spicy.
You said you going back for more, so they ain't too hot. So eat one more. If you eat one more, that means that the extra hot not that spicy.
It's good.
So we can go into the Reaper. After that bite, you can go into the Reaper.
Mm-hmm.
This video can't be too long. So after that, you can go into the Reaper, right? Then you got pickles and another sauce. But you gotta try it without the sauce first. So come on, let's go. We'll slide this over here. And let's try this. You don't gotta eat it all as much as you can. But bite it first without the sauce. And you can dip it in that sauce before you open the other sauce. You know, just to savor your other sauce. It shouldn't be that hot. I feel a bunch of people say it ain't even hot like that. So taste it first by itself. Then the next bite you can dip in the sauce. Now this the Reaper, y'all. He's trying this. I will order one tender just to see if it's as hot as they say. Eat the other piece.
Oh
no. Boy, that ain't hot. You like hot food.
Girl.
Throw that piece on in.
Girl.
That's the one piece. Go ahead. Yeah, there you go. Sorry, y'all. Wait, you acted. It's not that hot.
Girl.
Go ahead, eat some more.
That ain't no way.
Because can't nothing be that hot.
Okay.
It's just a little spicy.
Yeah.
What's the difference between the first and the second piece?
This shit hot.
That's gonna make it worse. Water. So
It's not good.
it ain't that. Don't put it in your eyes. Look at him crying, y'all. You need another water? Okay, I'll get you another water.
My throat burning.
First time hollering, get put out of here.
Oh, it's burning. It's burning my throat.
You want to eat the rest of it?
I need something.
You need to get in the shower. Don't put it in your eyes, boy. Bro, you can't be yelling now.
It's burning. It's not going away.
Don't eat no more of that then. Thought you was playing.
It's burning my throat.
Stop yelling at people on my. They don't think I'm in here beating you.
It's burning. It's not good. It's not good.
You so loud. You too loud, boy. You want to dip it in the sauce the next piece?
I don't care. I don't want to be.
You too loud, boy. He gonna get us put out, y'all. We get the Elijah, yo. He gonna get us put out this room. As long as he got money for the next room.
I ain't got no money for this.
Yeah, I see. So you're not gonna eat the rest of that?
Hell no.
Take another bite, I give you $20. $25. If you eat the whole thing, you get $40.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
You gotta eat the whole piece. $40. You can hit the machine tomorrow. 2 cents, $2. No, don't do that. If it's hot like that, don't mess yourself up. If you're gonna do another nice chunk, a nice piece, I give
can't
15.
breathe. I can't breathe.
You can't breathe? You want me to call the EMS?
All of them.
You want to call 911? You want to call 911?
All of them. All of them. Cause that shit is burning my throat. It's burning my lips.
Like your lips swole too right now.
Give me enough water. Enough water.
All the water gone. Hold on, boy. Water.
It's motherfucking. This shit get burned every time I get water.
I told you the water don't really help. The water make it worse, they say.
They go away. Boy,
You
take
need
it every
milk.
morning, water go away.
I told you when you went in CVS, you should have got some milk.
I can't breathe. This shit in my chest. I'm burning. It's burning me. It's
$20, you could eat another quarter.
The reaper about to reap me. I might go to the under.
What? Boy, you gotta talk English. We don't understand that.
I'm going to the Undertaker.
No, you better stop saying that, miss.
Shit. This shit burning the shit out of me. I'm about to go. 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 I'm about to go.
All right, Uncle Charles.
I'm about to go. This shit burning the shit out of me. My chest is burning.
So out of a 1 through 10, as far as spice level, what would you give this one?
Hot as hell.
So 1 through 10.
Hot. 10.
But you know the little bites you ordered, when they weren't that hot?
Not as much as this one. I thought this was gonna be the piece of cake. This shit hot as hell.
Is what again?
Hot as hell. I had to drink 2 water and it's still hot.
So you're not gonna eat the rest of that?
Hell no.
You ain't gonna save it for tomorrow?
I ain't gonna wait about it.
I can do a video part 2 if you can finish it. Y'all want a part 2? If he can finish it? $100 on the line. If he can finish the whole tender tomorrow, y'all. $100 on the line.
Oh, I'm gonna finish that tender tomorrow. I'm gonna
no, you don't give a damn. It ain't that hot.
I can't eat this shit no more.
That ain't that hot, Bird. Come on now. Look,
Girl.
guys. Close up. Look at how dark it is.
That shit is demon.
Look how dark it is, y'all.
My lips is burning. And I only ate a piece of that bitch. I ate a piece. That shit burning.
All right. So what you got to tell the people before we sign out?
What about throw up?
Boy, okay. Signing out, y'all. I'll catch y'all tomorrow if he take the challenge. $100 to finish it. Goodbye.